Hello, what's up guys? My name is Nzioka. For those who are new to this channel, welcome to my village. This is my home. This is the place I call home. And today I'm doing it different. Next to me, this is my youngest sister. What is your name?
Anna.
Anna who? Look at the camera.
Anna Nzioka.
Yeah, so she's Anna Nzioka. She's the youngest in our family. And today I'll be asking her a few questions to know if she knows me better. So I'll help with the English where it is tough. So you guys will bear with me. And to make it more exciting, I have 50 Kenyan shillings to give her if she gets at least 50% of all the questions that I'm going to ask her today. So stay back there, watch, and let's see if my sister knows me better, because most of my life I haven't stayed with her. I've always been traveling, I've always been living in Nairobi, I've always been living in other countries. So let's see if she knows me better. So, are you ready? Okay. Okay, she's asking me to ask her in Swahili, so I'll be translating. Okay. So swali la kwanza ni majina yangu yote naitwa nani? So I'm asking her my full names. Got that one. Ishmael Mo Nzioka. She got it. Okay. Swali la pili. Second question, guys. Niko na miaka ngapi? How old am I? 23. We should just give her a right, because I'm turning 23 in January in 3 days. So yeah, 23. That is correct. 23. Okay. Swali la tatu. Shule ya primary nilisomea wapi? Which primary school did I study? Inaitwaje? Yeah? Say loud kwa sauti. She's saying Ngomano Primary School. Sindio? T. Wrong. Umekosea. So now she's got two questions. Nilisomea shule inaitwa Dua Primary School. Umesahau. Dua Primary School. Hapo ndipo nilisomea. Okay. Which secondary did I go? Nilisomea shule gani ya secondary? Inaitwaje? I'm asking her the secondary school I studied from. Inaitwaje? Okay, I'm going to give her a hint. I'm going to help her. Iko Machakos. Unacheka nini? Unajua? Ujui. Okay, so she's saying she has forgotten. The high school that I went is called I Can Fly. You see, now you're saying it, and she had already forgotten. So it's called I Can Fly High School. It's American Baptist Church sponsored school. So I was sponsored my whole high school, because you see, our family, it's not able to pay for my school fees. So far she's gotten 2 questions. She's missed 2 questions. Okay. Umepata maswali 2, umekosea 2. Okay. Question number 5. Swali la 5. Sawa? Wakati nilipokuwa naishi inji za nje, nilikuwa naishi inji inaitwaje? Say, ongea kwa sauti, nataka wale wasikie.
South Africa.
Correct. So I asked her which country I was living outside Kenya for the last 2 years, and she said South Africa. So she got it right. All right. So I was living in South Africa and I've also lived in Botswana and also in Uganda. Okay, so that is correct. Now you have, umepata maswali ngapi? 3, umekosea 2. Okay, question number 6. No number, question number 10. Huh? Question number 6. Nafanyanga kazi wapi Nairobi? Nafanyanga kazi mahali panaitwa aje Nairobi? You don't know? Na niliwaambianga. Nikienda Nairobi si niliwaambianga? Ukumbuki? Umesahau? So she's forgotten that one. So now she has 3. She missed 3. So utie bidii upate 2. Haya. Question number 8. Nilimaliza shule mwaka gani? 20. Which year did I finish high school? Nilimaliza shule mwaka gani? 20. 20 what? Yeah? Sema na sauti, nataka wale wasikie. Wale ndio wanaangalia.
2017.
Ya kwanza ulikuwa umesema gani? Ya kwanza ulikuwa umesema 20? Ha? 20? Sema hiyo ya kwanza ndio ya ukweli. Ulikuwa umesema gani?
2018.
Sema na sauti.
2018.
Yeah, so 2018. Wache kujidoubt. Never doubt yourself. Sawa? Kile kitu kimekuja kwa akili, sema hicho. Hicho ndio inakuanga ya ukweli. Wacha kushinda ukipindua majibu. Ya kwanza ulikuwa umesema 2018, ya pili unasema 2017 kwa sababu unaogopa ni kama unakosea. Na ulikuwa umepata. Sawa? I'm just telling her that she should not doubt herself, huh? Because she had gotten the answer correct. She had said 2018, that's when I finished high school. And she changed because she was thinking like she has gotten it wrong. So, and she had gotten it right. So 2018, that's when I finished high school. So, tumebakia maswali ngapi? 2. Umepata ngapi? Angalia hapa. Niacha kucheza, tunaangalia hapa. So, umepata maswali 4, umekosea 4. So, ukipata hili moja, 50 ni yako. If she gets the last one, if she just gets one question right now, because she's gotten 4 right, angalia hapa na wache kucheza. Let's be serious. Huh? So she's gotten 4 right, she's gotten 4 wrong. So if she gets 1 right, she earns 50 Kenya shillings, right? Okay? Okay, ready? All right, so we have 2 questions to go. Question number 9 and question number 10. Sawa? Question number 9. Nilizaliwa mwaka gani? So I'm asking her, which year was I born? Now she got it right. I have 23 years. Nilizaliwa mwaka gani? Nimekwambia never doubt yourself. Usiogope kusema answer yako. Huh? Unajua? So she doesn't know that one. Poo. Imebakia swali moja. Ukipata hii ya mwisho unapata hela. Sawa sawa? Ukikosea hela ni yangu. Sasa umekosea maswali 5. Umepata 4. Sawa? Unafaa upate 5 maswali. Umekosea 5 already. Umepata 4. So ukipata hili la mwisho la 10, 50 ni yako. Hii hapa. Hii hapa. 50 Kenya shillings for free. Okay? Haya. Question number 10, the last question. Sawa? nataka uniambie majina yote ya mam, ha? Majina yote ya yule sister mwingine na majina yote yule brother mwingine. So guys, if you don't know, I have 3 siblings, 2 sisters and 1 brother and single mom. So I'm asking her to tell me the names of the full names of mom, the full names of my brother and the full names of the other sister. So majina yote, tuanze na mom. Esther Mwongeli. Tuende kwa nani? Tuende kwa sister. So she's called Tabitha Ndanu Nzioka. And then? And then brother is called Lawrence Mutua. Do you want to hug? So and finally, she got the 5 questions, and so she wins the 50 Kenyan shillings, guys. So that's pesa hii hapa yako. Sikiaje? Furaha. Yeah, so she says she's happy for that. Thank you so much. That's our last one. At least she got 5 questions right and she missed 5 questions. So guys, that's my sister, and at least you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Nzioka, and I'm in the village, and I was trying to see if our last born knows me better. And to say the truth, she won a gift, and it's worthy the hassle, because yeah. Hope you guys liked this video, and let me see you on the next one. So tell me on the comment section what you want me to do, the other video that you want me to do, or I should ask my brother and my sister and my mom, and to see if they know me better. I can do the same questions if they know me better, but for now, bye bye. Tell them to subscribe. Tell them subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. So subscribe for my sister, guys. If we could get 1,000 subscribers just for my sister, that would be so lovely. So let's see you on the next one. Bye bye. Bye.